Hey, it's August the 15th, I think.
Yeah.
There's Lou the Thinker. We're sitting here planning on the next
Plan of attack.
plan of attack on the Anglia. Lou went out the other day and it was 100 degrees again in Keller. And the current build of the car is such that the heat from the sun and the ambient heated up the inside of the car like crazy, coming in through the roof, and mufflers and crap coming through the floor, and heat coming from the engine through the firewall, because there's nothing on the car. It's all just bare. So what we've been talking about this morning is that we got to do something. And the first thing Lou is going to do, Lou, you want to take it up and talk about that?
Yeah, right now, the muffler sits right in this cavity right in here.
Right.
So,
And the
other day, this son of a bitch is really hot in here. I mean, that poor air conditioner is working his ass off. And, of course, you're getting all the heat off the firewall, plus the heat through here, through the muffler. And then, of course, you know, the temperature on the outside, yeah, I mean, this fiberglass really heats up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put, there's about, maybe 2-3 about 2 inches on the top of the muffler to the top of the floor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a piece of aluminum like this, which will be sitting right above the muffler.
So it'll be a heat shield.
There'll be a heat shield between the muffler will be down here, and then the floor up here, and then this here part here will bolt on to here. What I'll do, I'll put a spacer, some spacers in here, which will be right next to the muffler, and then, you know, that they should.
Okay, so it won't touch the muffler. It'll just
it'll be above the muffler and right below the floor.
Okay.
Which, you know, it's a small gap in there right now.
Well, that's good, because you'll have you'll have an air gap.
Yeah, it'll be an air gap
From the muffler to
here.
that, and from that to that, which will cut the heat down quite a bit. Yeah, that's good. So that's the first thing. Okay, so what are we going to do next?
And then we ordered some of that material to go on the floor, that insulation material.
Foil.
That foil.
So it's a foil rubber adhesive crap for insulating.
I'll put that on the floor.
In the firewall.
And in the firewall, you know.
Yeah.
Start off there and then go from there.
And then, of course, you're going to have to put carpet on, otherwise.
I'll have that carpet.
Otherwise, you'll need sunglasses.
Yeah.
And you'll do the roof too.
Yeah, probably. You see how much shit I got left over. You know, if not, I'll have to order some more. And you know, but
do the roof.
But anyhow, do the floor and the firewall first.
Take some measurements.
Yeah.
So what else you were talking about, changing the seats or something?
Yeah, right now, I measured the seats the way they are in my truck, and then according these are way up, and I need to gain the leg room in here. So actually, what the seat needs to come back probably about 3 inches. Right now they're on tracks, but you can't the adjuster thing. You know, you can't. So anyhow, once I pull the seats out to put the shit in, I'll go ahead and move the seats back on tracks.
Do you think we could get them to slide on the?
It'll slide. They'll slide. But you know, there's a thing an arm that goes.
Oh yeah, there's a U shape.
They wouldn't fit in here once I had to remodify all that stuff.
Okay.
For these seats.
So maybe you can get even more than 3 inches, huh?
Yeah. I got
up to 4 or 5.
I got plenty of room on the rails.
Yeah.
Because right now the seats are all the way forward on the rails.
Okay. So the other day with all the heat, the air conditioning never shut off.
No, it ran.
And it works. It functions.
It works, but it's working its ass off, you know. when I stop, man, that water, you know, you can see the water on the ground. You know how
yeah, the drain tubes, right, from the condensation.
So,
okay,
but
so
it's working.
So the other thing is, how was the temperature of the radiator and stuff?
Yeah, it's still running hot. You know, it's still up high.
Yeah, high being how much?
It's running about 200. What's that, girls? What's that?
And that's the inside gauge, right?
Yeah, both gauges.
But it never gets higher than 200?
No, it's well, once you turn it off, it'll go up and then come down.
But it'll maintain 200.
It'll stay pretty close to 200.
So that's good because it's not boiling over. With the pressure cap and the antifreeze, it's not going to boil over at 200. So one of the things we talked about, it's got a 180 thermostat in it. And 180 thermostat, all that means is that when the engine started up cold, the 180 thermostat is closed and will allow the engine to heat up, and at 180 it opens up. It doesn't necessarily mean that it regulates it to 180. If you had a perfect cooling system, it would stay at 180. So one of the things we talked about was maybe we're assuming that that's a new 180 thermostat and that it's in good condition is not a problem with it. But one of the things we talked about was maybe putting a 160 in.
Yeah.
To see if, which means it would
open up quicker.
And likely as not, it may not drop the 200, but it would be one way to see if that is in good shape. So we're working.
Yeah.
All right, so that's our plan. We've already ordered the foil rubber sticky back insulation for the inside of the car, and that's from Amazon, of course. They got about 100 different types. So we picked the one we want, and it's been ordered, and it'll be here Sunday. And then we'll start putting that in. See how it goes. But car run okay? Everything?
Yeah, it runs good. Yeah, it runs like a bad ass out of hell, you know.
Yeah. So. Yeah. So that's our story. We're sticking to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, again, it's August 15th. I'm not sure. Part 68, somewhere around there. Yeah. I'll get it recorded of what's going to be. So with that, I'm going to call this segment 1, and we'll catch all you out there later on. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Hey, hi. Changed my mind. We're back. We just worked on the seats, and what we've done is we've managed to move both seats back approximately pretty close to 4 inches. And Lou, better, more comfortable?
Yeah, a lot more comfortable. Plenty of leg room now.
Yeah, okay. So, all right, so we'll continue with that 4-inch setback and make permanent modifications to be able to keep both seats there. But that ought to work pretty good. Much better than where it was when we started. Okay, so this is still the 15th of August, and I think there's probably enough that I can publish this as what we're doing. Okay, thank you everybody for being viewers and comments and so on. We appreciate it all. Take care. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.